All, welcome to the new video of Excel in Excel, and today we are going to learn something different, something which will be very useful for you into your day-to-day life. Are you sick of continuously pressing Ctrl S again and again? Then I've got something useful for you. Excel gives an option in File tab to save your Excel sheet every minute. All you need to do is go to the File tab, then go to the Options, then go to the Save, and as you can see here there's an option saying save auto recover information every 10 seconds. That means Excel will automatically save your sheet in every 10 seconds. If you wanted to reduce it to 1 minute, then your sheet will be auto saved in every 1 minute, and hence you don't need to press Ctrl S again and again. It is very useful even if your sheet hangs while you are working on it. I hope this video was useful for you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.